Is the bitter melon, Momordica charantia, poisonous when ripe? Bitter melon, Momordica charantia, originated in India and is now widely cultivated in tropical to temperate regions of the world. Bitter melon is rich in nutrients and has been used as a food and medicine in many countries for thousands of years. Bitter melon can be used in cooking or eaten raw. Bitter melon is a common vegetable in Asian cuisine. Bitter melon is great to eat when it's green or early yellowing stage. At this time, bitter melon have a pleasant bitter and astringent flavor. As bitter melon ripens, it turns orange and then red, splitting into segments, revealing seeds covered with bright red pulp. Fully ripe bitter melon loses many nutrients, and the pith becomes sweet and edible, but the flesh of the melon will be far too tough to be eaten anymore. According to clinical reports, fully ripe bitter melon seeds are toxic and should not be eaten.